Alright, so we're going to do a before and after video on these R2 LED headlights. We're starting the day off with the frosty beverage, nice and early in the morning, so it hits you strong. So let's see if you got these same ones here. I don't know if you could see that, maybe pause the video. These are 6500K, and yeah, let's go install it. See what they look like on this F150, 2015 F150. So in the box you get a little manual on how to do it. You can actually adjust these lights. I don't know why you would even need to adjust a fog light. They're so low to the ground anyways. But I guess if you need to, you can. Comes in neat packaging. Pretty cool housing. I guess this is what keeps it cool. So, back in the day, they used to have the ballast, or I don't know, whatever you call it, like a little pack, and then they would power these things, or inverter, I don't know what it was. But I guess now they're putting it right behind the bulb, so they're that small now. It used to look like a laptop battery pack, but they made them small enough where you can just put them in the back. I guess. I don't know. So you got like two LEDs on there. Oh. Yep. And the connection, of course. So they look pretty cool. So we lay down a mat. We got the dog on the leash. And you're actually going to come up somewhere around this side over here, not necessarily on the corner, and you're gonna need a Phillips. Okay, so I lied. You actually don't need a Phillips. You're just going to need your hands. And see, there's a corner. We're over here, somewhere around there. There's the light, and that's what we're going to switch out. So the first thing you want to do is take out the connecting strip, which is this. And you can do that by this little clip thing. You just kind of pull it back and push it back. So I almost forgot, we got to do it before and after, so let's see what it looks like before. So this is the color on it right now. It's kind of that yellow. That easy yellow, that reading light. So yeah, that's what it looks like right meow. And of course I'm filming this during the day so you can get a better contrast, right? Okay, so that was a little bit difficult. The difficult part was that the housing is extra long. So you have to get like up here. There's an empty space on this side, so you're gonna have to put it over here and then tilt it in, and then you're gonna have to use a lot of pressure, or you can use just a little bit of lubricant on the seal. That way it'll just slide right in, and that way you can turn it. Otherwise you're gonna have to try to smash it in well enough where you can actually tighten it, right? So that was pretty difficult. But if you just put lube, it'll be a lot easier. Make sure to wrap the wiring under somewhere or secure it. Otherwise, you're going to have a whole bunch of flap on it. Alright, let's do the other side now. Oh yeah, that second portion was super easy. So just lick the seal, give it a little wet, and you'll be alright. The box serves as an excellent storage space. And for some reason, they're not working. Okay, so I finally got the light working. The issue was that the polarity was changed. Whatever, that just means that the wiring, they got mixed up. So the company told me, hey, just reverse the plug-in, and that way it'll like reverse the polarity. But in all actuality, they just got it wrong from the factory, right? I'm assuming, I don't know. If you're gonna make something specific for F150s or an H10, I don't know. Maybe the majority is the polarity that comes standard, but in the F150 it's reversed. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below if this is a case for you guys. But anyways, we got the light to work, and it is freaking bright. Like, it's brighter than the sun. That is nuts. So there's your yellow right there, your typical headlight color, and then you have like gamma rays shooting down out of the fog light. Amazing. So I totally approve of this thing. It's daylight. I'm sure it's going to be freaking phenomenal during the night. Thank you, R2, or whatever the company name is. Another thing that I wanted to note is it makes this cool whirling sound. I don't know if you guys can hear it. So I think that's the fan turning around in the back. That's cooling off the, I don't know, solenoid or something, capacitor it has in the back, or inverter, I don't know. But yeah, these things work, and they are freaking brighter than the sun. Awesome, thank you.